All right, Wimpy said it's time for us to play Kennel Up. All right, pepperonis, it's time to kennel up. All right, Wimpers, good boy. All right, we're just tossing treats for now. Find a crate, hop in. Find a crate, hop in. Treats, let's go. Good girl, Daddy. Oops, Sharky, sorry, that fell out of there. There you go. Careful, Bodie. I need for you to watch out where the crate doors are because you always slam your face into something. Whoa. Oh, hold on. There you go. Careful, careful. All right, we're going to start closing puppers in just a second. All righty. Okay, here we go. Wimpy, you can't be in that one. I need that one for Knox. Yes. Good boy, Wimpers. Good girl, Lily. Good boy, Knox. But Dottie, I need you out. Oh, that's perfect. Way to cooperate. Ooh. All right, kennel up. Who's going to be in this one? Oh, my guy. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Oh, good job, Miss Manji. Oh, sorry, Sharky. Get in the different one. Dottie, there's no way you're fitting in any of the other ones. Kennel up. Kennel up. You got it, girl. Hurry. Your friends are waiting. How about we put you in this one? Kennel up. Just trying to see if she'll get in without me tossing the treat in first. Take too long. Hurry up. Get in there. Good girl. Daddy, will you fit in this? It's a tight fit, but you won't be in there very long. Come on. Kennel up. That's not terrible. All right. Good job, everybody. All right, so I'm going to do something slightly different in this episode. I'm going to walk away for a little bit and then come right back and treat. Good job, everybody. See, sit. Yes. Stay. Knox, come on. Back to where you were. Sit. No treat for getting back in. Stay. Yes. Sit. Stay. Sit. Stay. Yes. Bodhi, sit. Stay. Free. Lily, sit. Lillers. You can sit there. Sit. Okay, stay. Good girl. Yes. Oh, good choice. Got excited there. Free. You didn't even eat that. Why you not eat that? Daddy girl. Sit. Yes. So we're going to be, oh, I'll take it down. Daddy. Stay. So working a short duration. Come back. Down. Thank you. Stay. Oh. Yes, I'll still take it. You didn't go anywhere. Stay, and you are on a little bit of a tilt. Yes. So when we're working on stays, there's 3 Ds that we want to build up. Duration, distance, distraction. This is just simple duration here. Stay. Good girl. As she hangs out, and we're going to wait a short intermittent duration, meaning it's not every 5th second or anything like that. It's just always random. Yes. I'm also doing my best to alter my body language also and not just sit here and stare at her with food in my hand or, just staring at her. So I might kind of move around a little bit. I'm not going to be moving backwards away from her. That would be distance, and we're not quite ready for that just yet. Yes. Good girl. And then after a few intermittent reps like that, free. Sit. Yes. Angie, stay. Sit. Calm it down. Good girl. Yes. Stay. Good girl. Yes. Free. So right now we're... Yes. All right, we're working on stay in this video. Chucky, stay. Yes. Stay. Good girl. Yes. So what I'm doing is I'll treat her. I'll remind her, stay. Stand up, wait a short duration, do something a little bit different with my body. If she gets up, sit. Thank you. No treat for getting back in. Sharky, sit. Stay. All my words got caught up in my mouth. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Sit. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Let's go say hi. Yes. Oh, no, ma'am. All right, let's go say hi. Slow it down, girl. Yes. One up here. Lily. Yes. Good girl. Too much. Thank you. Go say hi. Yes. Good job, Lily. Yes. Good girl. Good girl, Lily. Yes. Beautiful. Nice job. Yes.
Good girl. Sitting for the good girl.
All right, let's go. Yeah. Oh, careful. I saw the feet. I saw you thinking about it. All right, let's go say hi. Careful, slow it down. Yes. Yes.
Good girl.
You're not even interested in the snacks, huh?
Good girl.
Yes.
Look at me. Are you a Doberman mix?
Something like that.
Because you
Yes.
have like a Dobie face, sort of, but kind of rotty.
Good girl. Yes, Dottie. Nice job. You don't want my snackos. Okay.
Good girl.
She said, I just want loves, hugs, and
Good
kisses.
girl.
Good girl, Dottie. Nice job. Come in. All right, friends. Here come your snackos. Get in there, dogs. Whoops. Looking at that one, Sharky. Dottie. Angie. Come get snacks. Up for snacks? There you go, Ange. Dottie, leave her alone. She's working on some stuff. Girl. Dottie, no ma'am. There you go, Angie. Dottie, leave her alone. Dottie, leave it. You can bob for treats next to her. Get it, Ange. Too much water in there? Good. Make it a little bit easier. Okay. There you go. Dang, Lily, you're a pro. I might start calling you Scuba Steve. There you go, Angie. You're doing it. You're figuring it out. Dottie, leave her alone. Dottie.